I'm going to go over the area of a trapezoid. We're not using the formula for the trapezoid. Some of you have found that. We're learning how to look at a shape that we don't have the formula for an area of and break it into shapes that we do know how to find the area of. So this has been nicely broken up already for us. Trapezoids can always be broken into a rectangle or a square, and then one triangle or two. So we're going to look at this, and this is our square or rectangle. I can tell you it's a square, but we don't know exactly. I mean, I can tell you it's a rectangle, but this is labeled 6, this is labeled 4. So, if this is 6, this is 6. If this is 4, this is 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start. We're going to label this A. So I'm going to go ahead and find the area of shape A. A is a rectangle. So my formula is length times width. We basically have two formulas right now, length and width for area of a rectangle, and the area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2. So let's do 6 times 4 is 24 centimeters squared. All right, now we have a triangle. These, since they didn't give us units, we can assume that they're exactly the same, and you can tell that they look exactly the same. We have our height because if this is 4, this is 4. If this is 4, this is 4, and they're our height because they're at right angles. Okay? This would not be our height because you got to stand straight up to get your height. Now, to figure out what the bases are, they're telling us this entire line is 12. This is 6. So we're going to subtract this out to find out what this and this equals. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. So I know that these two combined equal 6. Well, I'm going to divide by 2 to figure out what each one is. It's 3. So 3 centimeters. Those are the same triangle. I'm going to label them B and B. If they were different triangles, I would label them B and C, because then I'd have to find the area of B and C. But I just have to do B. My formula is base times height divided by 2. My base is 3. My height is 4 divided by 2. Base times height, multiply this together, you get 12 divided by 2, so that gives us 6 centimeters squared. Now to get our total area, we have to add all of them up. So we add A, which is 24, B, which is 6, but we have another B. So we have to add 6. So we add those all together. That gives us 36 centimeters squared.